Hello my people, it's your boy DJ City. Today I'm not going to do 2 hours, 1 hour mix. I'm just going to talk about some music that you need for wedding. This music are the best music for Nigerian weddings. They go with all the flows. A lot of couples ask me this question. Hey DJ, I have a DJ that's playing my wedding, but these DJs, they don't speak Nigerians, they don't even understand Nigerian music. What music should I give to them? So my number one list today is going to be Orokati Dawana by Sonny Leji. This music has been probably for like 5 years or more than 5 years. But this has been one of the top request wedding song, and most parties I've played in the past, they usually request that I play this music at their wedding. And the music is sounding Orokati Dawana, like I said, is gonna be my top number one list for today's selection. Has found a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. You found the harmony to the song you said. You can do anything you wanna come on. You are father and I love it, I love it, I cover it, I teach you everything. She's your mother, your sister, your lover, your cover, your teacher, your everything. It's your wedding day, so be happy and rejoice. Whatever they say, today you make your choice. This is only way, one and one is one. Hold on your faith, together you belong. Only mole I so don't take a smile away. Okay, Sonny Leji, Orokati Dawana, that was my number one on my list. And the next one now is a song that everybody will dance to. This song is by the band Omo You Don't Make Me Fall in Love. This song will make everybody at your party fall in love with you. Also, this is wedding, it's a celebration of love, and this music is very, very attached to every wedding event, and it's a music that moves the crowd. Every crowd will definitely dance to this music I'm about to play next. Again, the music is by the band called Omo, You Don't Make Me Fall in Love. Fall in Love. Let's go.
Make me fall in love, fall in love, oh, fall in love, oh. We should have married 'cause you done make me fall in love, fall in love, oh, fall in love, oh. My sweet potato, I wanna tell you my mind, oh. I know, understand, oh, 'cause I don't see well, but they say love is blind, oh. You see as you did, so you are the love of my life, you are the love of my life, oh. I cannot deny you. I wanna make you my wife, oh. See, I never thought that I'll find someone like you that would capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. I used to brag to my friends that I'd always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, Mama, you done make me fall in love, fall in love, oh, fall in love, oh. We should have married 'cause you done make me fall in love, oh, fall in love, oh, fall in love, oh. My sugar banana, as I don't get you, if I say make a hammer, me I not the way to make you come follow me, make we go see my mama, so better for us, so we could get together in any kind of weather. See, I know the logo, say na true at the taco, na true at the taco. My friends they ask me say, hey, oh boy, what is the matter? Me and tell them say, you they make my head scatter. See, I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, Mama, you done make me fall in love, fall in love, oh, fall in love, oh. We still have married 'cause you done make me fall in love, fall in love, oh, fall in love,
I'm sure you guys know the one that's coming next. This is titled No One Like You. This is by P Square. No One Like You. I would recommend this song for like when you're doing let's say first dance. This go very well with like first dance, or maybe I would say first dance. Don't let me go further than that. So this song is always very good at the wedding. Everybody like to dance to this song too. These are the songs that move the Nigerian crowd, especially those women with like big gele. They wear like the scarf on their head. So No One Like You is my third, number 3 recommendation for wedding, Nigerian wedding. So let's go.
hey.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, no one like, oh yeah, one like, oh yeah, no one like, oh yeah, no one. Hello, how you doing? My angel, my one and only, the only one that I be seeing. When you bring me joy and blessings, you know that I love you, and I can't wait to say I do. But before we walk down the aisle, I just wanna let you know that you're the finest. Like you be the finest thing I've seen, you're the brightest. The way you the shine, you the bling like me, you're the highest. When it comes to acting, you're the lead. My princess, my only one lover. And I just wanna let you know that no one be like you. See, I don't go different places, I've seen many faces. No one be like you. So they cannot replace you, cause you are a blessing. No one be like you. You're driving me crazy, cause you are my baby. No one I see that I go different places. I see many faces that cannot replace you. With you, I get many blessings. Girl, you want my life. You're the finest. And I ain't the finest thing I've seen. You're the brightest. The way you shine, you bling like me. You're the highest. When it comes to acting, you're the lead. My princess, my only one lover. Just let you know that no one be like you. See, I don't go different places. I've seen many faces. No one be like you. They can't replace you 'cause you are a blessing. No one be like you. You're driving me crazy 'cause you are my baby. No one be like you. No one. No one like you.
Like I said, today mixtape is not gonna be like 1 hour, 2 hours. We're just talking about the list of songs that are very good for Nigerians or probably African weddings. The next song, the next on my list is Yori Yori. Yori Yori is by Bracket. Just type, if you type Yori Yori on YouTube by Bracket, you will get this song. This song too is a lovely song. Yori Yori. Although I don't know the meaning of Yori Yori, but Yori Yori is a very nice wedding dance song for everybody to dance to, and it's one of my favorite music that I've been playing at every wedding in the past. So let's go to it. I'm sure you're gonna dance to this too. Just sit tight and dance. Keep on dancing. Make yourself happy. All right. Let's go.
Are we too much? Hey, I can't tell. I'm with you, my lover. With you, everything is well. Your love, they make my heart to do yori yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my lover. With you, everything is well. Your love, they make my heart to do yori yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. Same thing, way they make me feel like say you go be my wife. Now the same thing whipping they make my friend talk say I dey waste my time. Now because I dey respect you, girl, spend it for you every night and day. I dey pray for you because of you I dey fly like butterfly, my love, my love. But this thing make people they say I don't lose my sex, my brain, but nobody can stop me from loving you. I'm with you, my love, with you everything is well. Your love they make my heart to do yori yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. With you everything is well. Your love they make my heart to do yori yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. You see the way all the things they flow. I'm surprised to see how they love you so. Girl, I just suspect say they no. Say that you be the person where they make me flow. Ooh, I tell them say you are the blessing, and that's why you are so interesting. Nobody is understanding the way you are, my beautiful girl. Now all these make people they say I don't lose my face, my pain, but they can't stop me from loving you. I'm with you, my love. Everything is well. Your love they make my heart to do yori yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. With you everything is well. Your love they make my heart to do yori yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. Your love they affect my brain. Until they make me go insane. It go make sense if you come my place. You know hear them, I go talk them again. Your love they affect my brain. Oh my love, I they go insane. Just leave them the way you be, the way it is. Now all these fake people they say I don't lose my sense, my brain, but they can't stop me from loving you. I'm with you, my love. Make my heart to do yori yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. I do everything. Make my heart to do yori yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. I'm with you, my love. Make my heart to do yori yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. With you everything is better.
Most of these songs I'm playing, most of them are old school. most of them are from, like first Nigerian hip hop artists like Pop Play. This is Pop Play, and this song is titled Angel of My Life. Just listen to the name, Angel of My Life. That simplifies a lot. So playing this music at first dance, like, or just play it at the middle of the wedding, I mean, everybody love this music. But if you are into the new music, you might not know this music a lot. But this is a very lovely music for a wedding, and it means a lot. So let me play, you listen to it and you judge by yourself. So let's go. Again, this music is by Pop Play. This music is by Pop Play. So
between one another. Sit back and relax and listen to a brother. The whole world we were meant for each other. About Chanel, D&G, with Gucci letters. Baby girl, understand and try to see that my past is too clean. He makes sense. All I wanna do is slide in between. You know me and you, we can just be friends. So you know right, we can be like this until the end. No need to strike, there's no need for us to pretend. We need the light, we need the rhythm, keep me dance, yes.
This is a special. 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 This is a special.
This next one is by J Martins, and the title is Eva. Eva is the title. Actually, I like this song a lot too because it goes with the flow of every music. The beat is nice, the collection is nice, so let's listen to it.
This is a special dedication, everybody. Just listen up now. Jane Morgans.
Lovely music.
Sweet me. See the way you make me feel like saying on my birthday. You the tingalinga my heart.
You the tingalinga my heart.
You the tingalinga my soul.
You the tingalinga my soul.
Can you be my star, oh baby? Can you be my sunshine, honey? Without you, how I go shine? If you leave me, how you go be? Baby, when you come and let me, they make me to cool my temper. Lico, come back to me. This is a pass. So just the talk say, me and you no go last year, but I know the shake go baby. Cause the love no be one thing to fair. My friends say me they wonder before how we they play this time. Now because we love each other, when they come they just think so. You're my one and only. You the sick like money. You the make my heart go tingling. Eva. You're my one and only. You the sick like money. You the make my heart go tingling. The love no be one thing to fair.
This next music, I don't even know the number. The number I'm going to place it on my next mix. Actually, this music is lovely, elegant. It's asking you to be my screensaver. As in, it would be lovely to put you on my screen as a screensaver. So, which means a lot. As in, you can interpret this music in many ways to your love. And the next Nigerian wedding I'm playing at, this is actually their first dance music. So to know how well this music goes with African wedding, this is on Screensaver by Jay Martins featuring Wiz Boy. So you're going to enjoy this one very much. Let's go.
Get your picture. Would you be my screensaver? I'm a chopper, you become job. Would you be my screensaver? My screensaver. My screensaver. Every time when you look in the mirror, what a magic energy over. All my friends they ask me, Sekiro. I see your beauty, they make me wonder. When I take a look at your eyes, see I see they shine so bright. When you didn't laugh in that time, I want your picture for this my one time. Your song might be made in China. And someone you go make a finer. If only say you go sign up, I would like to give you a ring. Now this kind of ring, no be that kind of ring. Now we boy I came out, say you find well.